To change ringtone in Z Flip 6, I'll first cover all contacts, then specific. So let's start by opening settings. Then we're going to select sounds and vibration. Then we see ringtone. And so if you change the ringtone here, this will apply for all of your contacts. But for specific contacts, we need to look for and open up the Contacts app. Then we need to look for the contact that we want that custom ringtone for. Once we select the contact, we'll tap the triple dots for more. And then we see change ringtone / vibration. Then select change and ringtone and allow any of the permissions. Now you can choose a custom ringtone, and if you tap on the plus, you can add music which is saved to your Z Flip 6 as a custom ringtone. And so once selected, we are now done.